Welcome to DELNET Vasant Kunj, a project that stands as a testament to timeless design and superior craftsmanship. This architectural marvel, completed in 2015, spans an impressive area of 25,000 square feet. Here, the architect envisioned natural shade variations in the tiles, blending light, medium, and dark terracotta colors to create a remarkable aesthetic appeal. The photography you see here was taken after 10 years, and the Unistone clay tiles have become even more beautiful with age. Their natural terracotta shades have matured gracefully, enhancing the building's charm and elegance. In this project, we used Unistone clay tiles sized 9 inches by 3 inches, with a thickness of 15 millimeters across the entire exterior facade. These tiles have aged beautifully, maintaining their vibrant color and texture over the years. Unistone was entrusted with this vision, developing natural shade variations in their clay tiles that enhance the project's overall appearance. The result is a stunning facade that seamlessly integrates these shades, providing a dynamic and visually engaging look. Every inch of this 25,000 square foot facade showcases Unistone's commitment to quality and innovation. The clay tiles, meticulously chosen for their natural shade variations, provide a rich tapestry of color that shifts and changes with the light, adding depth and interest to the building's exterior. These clay tiles have not only withstood the test of time, but have also improved in their aesthetic appeal, showcasing a richness and depth that only age can bring. Unistone's dedication to excellence and innovative design is evident in every project, ensuring that each facade not only meets but exceeds aesthetic expectations. The dynamic interplay of light and shadow on the clay tiles throughout the day adds another layer of visual interest to the DELNET Vasant Kunj facade. This timeless design ensures that the building remains a standout feature in its environment, captivating onlookers and providing enduring beauty. Our vision for DELNET Vasant Kunj was to create a piece of art. Central to achieving this goal were Unistone clay tiles, with their captivating play of natural shade variations. The timeless design and superior craftsmanship of Unistone clay tiles have made DELNET Vasant Kunj a landmark. This project is a shining example of how thoughtful material selection and meticulous execution can result in a creation that not only serves its purpose, but also enriches its environment. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.